Hey glow getters! Ever wondered how some people just radiate with flawless skin? Stick around because in the next 2 minutes, I'm revealing 10 unique and transformative ways to get that coveted glow. And trust me, you haven't heard some of these before. Ready to shine? Let's dive in. 1 DIY Rice Water Toner. First up, rice water. This ancient beauty secret from Asia is packed with vitamins and minerals. Simply soak some rice in water, strain it, and use the water as a toner. Your skin will thank you. 2 Papaya Magic. Next, let's talk papaya. This tropical fruit is a powerhouse of enzymes that exfoliate dead skin cells. Mash it up and apply it as a mask for 15 minutes. Voila! Instant radiance. 3 green tea ice cubes. Feeling puffy? Freeze green tea in ice cube trays and rub them on your face in the morning. It's refreshing and reduces inflammation while giving your skin a healthy glow. 4. Honey and lemon elixir. Mix honey and lemon juice for a brightening mask. Honey moisturizes while lemon's vitamin C brightens your complexion. Leave it on for 10 minutes and rinse off for a luminous look. 5. Turmeric face pack. Turmeric isn't just for curry. Mix it with yogurt and honey for an anti-inflammatory, glow-boosting mask. Just be careful not to stain your clothes or yourself. 6. Aloe Vera Gel. Fresh from the plant, aloe vera gel can be a game changer. It soothes, hydrates, and heals. Apply it overnight and wake up to softer, brighter skin. 7. Rosewater Mist. Spritzing rosewater throughout the day can keep your skin hydrated and fresh, plus it smells divine. 8. Oatmeal Scrub. Gentle yet effective, an oatmeal scrub can exfoliate and soothe irritated skin. Mix it with a bit of water or yogurt and massage gently. 9. Jade Roller. A jade roller not only feels luxurious, but it also boosts circulation and helps your skin absorb products better. Pop it in the fridge for an extra cooling effect. 10. Drink up. Hydration hack. And finally, drink water. But here's the twist. Infuse it with cucumber, lemon, and mint for a refreshing detox that also benefits your skin. There you have it. 10 unique ways to get that glowing skin you've always dreamed of. Which tip are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on my videos. Got any topics you want me to cover next? Drop them in the comments. Until next time, stay glowing.